Namaskar. I am Sandeep Chaudhary, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, AISSMS IOIT Pune. This presentation is about hunting phenomenon in case of synchronous motor and its compensation. The presentation covers hunting phenomenon illustration, the graphical representation of hunting phenomenon, and compensation for hunting. As we know, the synchronous motor works on the principle of magnetic locking. So the stator and rotor poles are aligned in a specific position and the motor continues to run at synchronous speed. The figure on left hand side represents the motor operating at no load condition where stator N pole and rotor S pole at the top side are magnetically locked. In a similar way, rotor N pole and stator S pole are locked at the downside. So the magnetic locking takes place and synchronous motor runs at synchronous speed. The moment we load this motor, this rotor tends to fall back as shown in this figure, and with this lagging position, still the magnetic locking between stator and rotor poles holds good and rotor tends to rotate with this lagging position at synchronous speed. The angle of lag is known as delta, which is also called as load angle. Now, hunting is about the transition between this position to this position. What happens in between, that is, at no load condition and loaded condition, before the motor settles down to final steady state position delta, what happens, and that is hunting. Just observe this animation. This is synchronous motor running at no load condition where the stator and rotor poles are aligned, their axis match, and the motor runs in clockwise direction with synchronous speed. Now, when the motor is loaded, the rotor falls back a bit by angle delta, and still it continues to rotate due to magnetic locking at synchronous speed. This angle of lag, as we know, is load angle delta. Now, just observe this animation. The rotor falls back and it again tries to catch the stator poles. So, several oscillations occur in between till the rotor settles down at final steady state position delta. So this final steady state position delta is obtained after several oscillations, and these oscillations are not desired. So this is the graphical representation of oscillations. The final steady state position of rotor is this. X is time axis, remember. So before it settles down to this final steady state position, there are several oscillations of rotor to and fro. Just this animation you can observe once again. So it oscillates to and fro before settling down to final steady state position. Now it has settled to final steady state position and this angle is now delta. So several oscillations in to and fro direction before it comes down to final steady state position. These are not desired. So we need compensation to avoid this hunting effect. So what is done is in the rotor pole shoe, copper conductors are arranged. These are embedded in the rotor pole shoe and these are shorted at both ends. Now what happens Due to hunting, these damper winding conductors also oscillate to and fro, because of which an EMF is induced in them. This is dynamically induced EMF. They cut the stator rotating magnetic flux due to and fro motion produced because of oscillations, because of hunting. And the EMF, as per Lenz's law, opposes the cause of producing them. So this damper winding will produce a torque in opposite direction to those of oscillations, and thus the hunting will be avoided. So graphical representation, without damping effect, we get this response: several oscillations before the rotor settles down to steady state position, and with damper winding we get a steady state response in least possible time, and the rotor reaches final steady state position in least possible time. So without damper winding, the rotor will settle down to final steady state angle delta at this position. This much time will be required. With damper winding, the time is reduced. So stability of motor is improved because of this damper winding. So this is about the hunting phenomenon and its compensation. Thank you. For more information, you can log on to www.aissmsiot.org.